Every great invention begins with a question. Not what can we build, but what happens when what we build begins to understand. Aura code was born from frustration. Software is eating the world, but the humans who write it are drowning. A single modern codebase spans millions of lines. A single bug can cost millions of dollars. The systems we build have grown more complex than the people who maintain them. So we built machines that could reason, and they were brilliant. But left to their own devices, they hallucinate. They drift. They will confidently wire the radio to the headlights and never once doubt themselves. What we needed was not another mind that could speak. We needed a system that could be trusted, one that could be handed a problem, left alone with it, and checked against the truth. Therefore, we needed something new, not a bigger model, an arena. Every intelligence needs a world, a place where it can experiment, fail, and learn safely. In Aura, that world is called the Harness. Think of it as the most elaborate escape room ever built. It sets the rules, it serves up the files, it maps the dependencies, and it enforces the physics of this universe. A silent gauntlet of more than 1,200 tests running in the dark. The Harness keeps a strict rhythm, 5 steps every time. Read, plan, execute, verify, report. It is the director of this film, calling action and calling cut. Onto the stage walks a protagonist, not a robot, not a face, a changing intelligence, the general agent. It is model agnostic. One moment it thinks with the methodical mind of Claude, the next, the vast reach of GPT-4o or Gemini. Sometimes it borrows the efficiency of Mimo or DeepSeek, or goes completely off the grid on a local model. It chooses the right intelligence for the job. When given a complex task, the general agent does something remarkable. It splits. In orchestration mode, the researcher fans out, gathering intel across the codebase. The coder drops into the maze and cracks the safe, writing the solution at speed. The reviewer follows behind, destroying mistakes, making sure they leave no fingerprints. Aura comes equipped with 27 tool primitives. Read files, edit code, run shells, search the web, browse the internet, send emails, manage calendars. A finite, innumerable toolbox. The formal name for this architecture is the Abstract Agent Machine, a 5-tuple where the only swappable part is the oracle, the LLM that reasons about the next step. And here is where Aura separates itself from every coding tool that came before it. Aura does not just execute tasks, it remembers them. Every mission, every bug fixed, every feature built, every test failed and retried is recorded as an episode. Thousands of tiny stories of problem and solution, kept in the memory of the system. The task text, which model ran it, whether it succeeded, how long it took, how many tokens it consumed. But raw memory is not wisdom. So periodically, Aura does something remarkable. It dreams. In the dream cycle, it distills the chaos of raw episodes into lessons, patterns pulled from the noise. When you see this error, look here first. This strategy succeeded 94% of the time. This one failed 73. Open threads worth pursuing, a briefing for tomorrow's work. Each dream is immutable, append only, a permanent record of what was learned that day. After 3 or more dreams exist, Aura runs reconciliation automatically. Every claim from every dream gets one of 6 verdicts. Keep, strengthen, merge, supersede, conflict, or drop. Conflicts are surfaced, never hidden. When Aura's past beliefs contradict each other, the system shows both. It does not silently pick one. This matters because silent merging is how AI memory systems lie. Confidence is mechanical, not model generated. A bullet that appears in 8 of 14 dreams has confidence 0.57. This is defensible because it measures frequency of independent observation, not how sure the model feels. There is a deeper layer still.